In the previous lesson, we used this AVEVA wiring manager module to create uh, wiring rule definitions. Now in this lesson, we will see how to apply this wiring rule using AVEVA electrical engineer module. So let's go to AVEVA electrical engineer module. Here, as you can see, this cooler pump motor B, this load we already created in our first Aviva electrical engineer module video. So here just it can be seen under loads. So here just double click it. Here go to detail tab. You can see wiring rule name. We have to define this rule name. Click here, basic and enhanced. Let's click basic. Okay. Now it will open all the lists over here, whatever you have already created as per your project requirement. So we had already created the last one in the last video, this motor with LCS and PTC, and we want to assign this wiring rule definitions into for this particular load. Let's select. Now it's selected, motor with LCS and PTC. So this is now selected. It is already assigned. And if you want to unassign, then you can click over here. So it will clear this wiring rule. Now create wiring. Wiring created successfully. Click OK. 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 Now let's go back to AVEVA Electrical Wiring Manager. Here in the cable schedule, so here uh, refresh this page. Now you can see here it came, these two cables. This was assigned for LCH, and the second one was assigned for PTC cable, and another one, the last one, this is for power cable, this 185 square mm. So this was for PM equipment number PM 0001. So this parent cable equipment PM 0001, PM 0001. I made a mistake. Actually this one PM 0001 B LCS cable, this one PTC cable, and this one for power cable. So these three cables already created, because we firstly we created that wiring rule set of rules, and then applied through AVEVA electrical engineer module. There we assigned this wiring rule, and then we came back to this cable schedule and hit this refresh button. So it is now updated over here. So in this way, if there are more number of cables for this particular equipment related with this particular equipment, so this will come here in the list. So in this way, as per your project requirement, you can enter uh, the equipment and cable details over here to generate the report for cable schedule and cable list.